Listen, it's physics paper 2 next and I've got you. Let's make you understand magnetism and electromagnetism. Starting with magnetic fields. These are defined as the region around a magnetic object where other magnetic objects would experience a force. Permanent magnets produce their own magnetic fields. The spec says you need to be able to draw the magnetic field around a bar magnet. Notice here the field lines. They have arrows on them, and those arrows always point from north to south. That, by the way, is because they show the direction of the force on a north pole if it was to be put into the magnetic field. Also notice the lines are much closer together at the ends, the poles of the magnet, compared to here around the mid-region. The closer together the field lines are, the stronger the magnetic field. So from that you can definitely understand that the magnetic field is the strongest at the poles. The spec also says you need to understand how to plot those magnetic field lines using a plotting compass. Plotting compasses look a little like this. They're little tiny compasses with basically a tiny bar magnet inside of them. That's what the needle is. You take your bar magnet, place your plotting compass at one end, put a dot in front of where the needle faces, then move your plotting compass so the back of the needle is where the dot is, and repeat. Put a dot in front, move it, put a dot in front, move it. Repeat that enough times, your plotting compass will make its way around your bar magnet. Do yourself a dot to dot and you have the field lines. If you didn't know, Earth also has its own magnetic field. It's Earth's magnetic field that navigational compasses align with. Now, you know I mentioned permanent magnets. Those are defined as materials which produce their own magnetic field. Because of that, permanent magnets can either be attracted or repelled when their magnetic fields interact. There'll be attraction between opposite poles and repulsion between the same poles. We also have things called magnetic materials. These are things that are induced magnets when they're placed into a magnetic field. Magnetic materials include iron, nickel, and cobalt. So if you were to place those materials into a magnetic field, they would be attracted to that magnet. But since they don't produce their own magnetic field, it's absolutely impossible to repel these magnetic materials. That is all of magnetism. I'm going to cover electromagnetism in the next one. Follow along so you can have a look. I'll see you there.